Ma'am, we often hear about candida infections and it always confuses me. So, do I have candida and is this bad for me?
Yeah, see, candida infection is very common in today's time. I see a lot of patients on regular basis, and they come with various symptoms which they are unable to understand why do they have them, and they've been just topping up with band-aid solutions by taking some or the other medications to basically cope up with the symptoms. So see, candida is basically a fungal infection, and it's not like it can only grow in your vagina or in the oral cavity. It can grow all over your cells and can cause, it almost captures your cells because the spores, they break down and then they start proliferating into your cells, and then they stop the normal functioning of the cells. So food absorption gets impacted, and a lot of things happen. Now let me first tell you why it happens. So see, it happens mostly because of the poor lifestyle that we have. People who have a very erratic sleep pattern, who eat a lot of sweets or food with preservatives and chemicals in it, or eating a lot of grain, and taking oral contraceptive pills, or taking steroids for a long period of time, or they are on some other kind of immunosuppressants due to their autoimmune condition for a long period of time. So all of these are responsible for an overgrowth of this candida. Yeah, so that's the reason for the overgrowth.
Okay, ma'am, I have understood this, but how will I come to know what are the symptoms that will tell me?
Yeah, so the symptoms are mostly very vague, and we often ignore that it could be because of some underlying cause like this. Most of the times, it's like one has anxiety issues, one has allergic reactions, sometimes you develop too much of acne, rash in the body, all over the body. The moment you eat sweet and suddenly you break out into a rash, or the moment you have too much of stress, you break out into a rash. You develop a lot of allergies, and other thing is, most important thing is the hormone imbalance. Even PCOD can be related to this sometimes. In the younger age, I have a lot of girls who come here and they are between 19 to 25 to 30 years of age, and they have severe hormone imbalances, and that's because of their lifestyle and sometimes because of the overgrowth of candida that they have. So hormone imbalances cannot be overlooked in this condition. And then there are other things like severe anxiety, generalized anxiety disorder, inability to sleep well, gut disturbances, excessive bloating, sometimes alternating diarrhea or constipation. So all can be because of this underlying fungus. So we have various ways to really identify whether somebody has this candida overgrowth, and we have protocols which is like various nutraceuticals and various detox protocols, and of course most important thing is the advice on their diet and lifestyle. What they should be eating to avoid this overgrowth of the fungus, and how they can basically balance it out. So hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome.